It's time to do some wrenching. Okay, this is the 18 volt Ryobi 3/8 impact wrench. And it's got 3 speeds. First speed goes up to 1700, second speed 2500, third speed up to 3200. And it's supposedly has 150 pounds of torque with 3400 impacts per minute. And I picked up, when I bought this tool, I've got batteries already for it because I've got other Ryobi tools. I've got my old trusty old drill here. It's worked great for years. So, and you know, I've got the charger for it because when you buy this, you only get the tool alone. So I figured, well, I'll get this, and I picked up one of these batteries. This is a lithium battery, and you know, you press the button here, tells you how much battery life you got. And this is a 6 amp battery, and all these batteries, they fit, you know, my other Ryobi tools. I got the drill I just showed you, plus I got a little radial saw, and you got the little LED lights. And you press the trigger. It takes a while. You can let go of the trigger, and it takes a little while for it to go off. But you know, as soon as you press the trigger, just goes back on again. And you know, here's your reverse and forward right here. And seems to have some power. Yeah. So I think let's take this out in the garage and see what you can do. Okay, let's play with some lug nuts. These are torqued down to 100 foot-pounds. I'm going to start this off at 2. Try it out. You know, try it at 3. Yep, no problem. Yeah, no problem with 3. I'll loosen up 3 of these. Okay. Next test, I'm going to put it on 1. Like this one. Put it 2. Put it 3. Okay, let's see what it takes to break these loose. Start with 1. £23.8. Hope you can see this. Okay, I'm pausing the video here. Sorry, first time using this tool. Tool set on Newton meters. So this is actually 17.6 foot-pounds. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay. Set it. Try this with number 2. It's an even 90. It's 90 pounds. Reset it. $168.4. That's pretty impressive. 168.4. Cool. And I'm gonna like this tool. It's pretty nice. It handles nice, feels nice. Pretty nice tool. I'm going to be using this a lot, I think. I got a cordless and a air impact, but I doubt I'll be using those much with this thing. This thing's got a lot of power. Hey, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and keep on wrenching.